everybody! I actually received some packages. I don't even know what they are because I wasn't supposed to receive anything but the Quinrose stuff that I ordered. And the rest of it was actually supposed to arrive like, I want to say in the middle of the month more. So like not right now, but more like 17 to like 23 of the month. 17 to the 23rd. This does have a lot of tape. Like always though. So that's normal. Awesome! This would be the Shinigami one that I was waiting for. The last one in the trilogy set that they had. Oh my gosh, for real. Oh, the struggle is real. Packing tape, please go away. Oh my gosh. I just want my game. Yeah, alright. Oh my gosh, seriously. For real, sometimes for fudge. Really. Oh my gosh, thank you. Finally. That was a struggle. I should probably open it a bit more to start. Okay. This is another deluxe set, and it was the very last one that I needed. I got the other two in 2-pack, I want to say. And this one has different characters added in, I think. But yeah, you can tell, because it's got the same symbol for all three. But with different writing for the title. And these are Quinrose, so eventually I'll probably get them up on the channel. My drama CD! The one that was missing from the Death Connection one from Ichie Ichigo Japan! And I still have not heard back from them. We shall see, and I will keep you posted on that, because I am not ordering from them again until they fix that. Anyway. This is another one to add to my collection. I love these. I have them play in the background sometimes when I'm translating or reading. They're just really, really cool. And I love to hear the Seiruna and the characters that they're playing. And this is the game. So 7 guys. It looks like. Ooh. And that may mean that there's actually a girl in here that you can date. Didn't notice that. But there's 2 girls there. And Quinrose isn't shy about that, which makes me very happy. Or wasn't shy about that. This came out in 2013. Amazing! This is the art book. And these guys are so cute. And they look like brother and sister. It's a little weird. Nice. Their art books are always so beautiful. Filler comics, which I will eventually translate. I translated all of the ones for Alice, but there's also resource centers where you can get different translations. I just like to practice. Theirs are probably better than mine. These are light novels, short stories. And they would be like filler for what's not in the game. But could have possibly fit in there. Ha ha ha. Okay. This is that one. I actually like theirs a lot better than the Otome brand package. I likely will not be buying any more Otome. I'll just stick with my Quinrose, thank you. The Otome did pick them back up for Quinrose Reborn. And here's now the second package, which should be my game that I was waiting for, but it's weird that he packed it like this. If it was Mild Japan, I am very, very happy. Alright. Oh my gosh. For real. No. Oh, this is not okay with me. Goodness gracious. And I don't like to ruin that because I actually like to keep my custom stickers. I think they look cool. Yes, you can see how much of a struggle it is to get this stuff up and out. Oh my gosh. Alright. Thank you. Yay, it is my stuff from Mild Japan. I can always tell because he always packs like really cool stuff in there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Keep that out of there. Okay, yeah. I really do love this seller, you guys. Mild Japan, if you see him there, like, he packs his stuff very, very well. Like, I dropped this, and it would have probably been damaged if it hadn't have been packed this way. And he also always gives me these. Little origami packages to help, like, you learn. And then candy. He always gives me candy, too. And it's always this kind. From, like, his kids. Yes, I love my Japanese sellers, and Ichie Ichigo Japan was one of my favorites, but they need to reply to their buyer messages. I don't know what's up with that. In any case, I have never had a problem with Mild Japan. And you can see the cute stuff that he gives you. And they also check back to see if everything came properly. Lets you know that they care. Alrighty. Huzzah! This was actually supposed to arrive quite a while ago, so I've been waiting for it. It is another Quinrose. Beautiful box set. I love it. This is like, I want to say their Samurai Japan one. Not too sure. I ordered a lot, and I didn't really memorize all of the synopsises, mainly because I plan to play them all anyway. Because they're my favorite developer. Alright, awesome! Another one to add to the collection. Eventually, I will do reviews on these. And like summaries of the light novels and things that I've bought. But that's far off in the future because I'm still working on the games. And Alice comes first right now. Nice. These guys are gorgeous. Aww, their disc is cute. Oh my gosh. Wait, what is this? I do not think that this is actually the game that I was supposed to get, which is extremely disappointing, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad now. Ah, that makes 2 orders that were messed up recently. This one I know will fix it, though. Like, he definitely will fix it. That makes me so sad, though. Because this game, I was waiting for it so long. And everything else is there. Oh, no. I think what he did was he accidentally gave me this one. No, and I can't even play it because it's not the right one. It's like a second disc. This happened too with like a BL one that I bought recently. They only gave me the second disc and not the first. Alright, you guys. At least all of the rest of it's there, and I just need to get the freaking game sent. Makes me sad. Alright, at least I'm not playing it right now. You guys got to see my reaction this time. Oh. So beautiful! Why couldn't the game have come? Alright, you guys. That ends this unboxing. And see you all later. I will have the preview reels up for all of the release characters for I Came In tonight. And they should be like posted by tomorrow morning. Or like later on this morning because it's already the next day. I just got home from work, you guys. Have a lovely night and a good morning when you watch this.